This is not a drill. Do not turn off the TV. We have confirmed that there is an unidentified creature roaming the area, and a victim of it. The victim was torn apart and eaten. Only a few things remain: a hat, an arm, and a flashlight. We watched the clip of the Pit Valley surveillance camera, and it shows that it is a black and fast-moving creature, similar to the tapes of the victims when entering the cave. And the cave wall has been punctured, and it is highly likely that the creature has left Pit Valley and is wandering somewhere in the residential area. For that reason, we create a rules about what we had to do to protect ourselves and our families. Please follow these rules. Lock your windows and doors. Prepare weapons or food. Don't go out, you will regret it. Try not to make too much noise. Call for support if that creature has successfully entered your home. Unfortunately, you have to kill yourself, because it will kill you slowly and painfully. We wish everyone survive and also protect your loved ones and family. We'll mobilize Team Steel to recapture that creature.
Please don't get in there. No.